how to log in to Avinashilingam University. So if you want to log into Avinashilingam University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. And simply go for the search bar and search for Avinashilingam University login. And once you've searched, here you will have Avinashilingam, and under that you will have remote login. So you can simply go for that, or you can also go for faculty login if you are a faculty. So now you can scroll down, and if you are a student or if you are a parent, then you need to come to the middle of your screen, and here you need to enter your information. But if you are a faculty, then you can go for faculty login so that you can enter your username and your password, and you need to verify by answering this puzzle, and then you can click on login. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password to reset or recover your password. But if you are a student, then you need to enter your roll number on the first blank, and then your password and your date of birth. And if you remember your password, you can go for forgot password as usual, and you can reset or recover your password. And after entering your information, click on login, and once you click on login, it will log you into your account if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Avinashilingam University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.